Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, follow me to learn Chinese 4-character idiom 五湖四海. Now, let's write. 五湖四海. 五湖四海 五 5 湖 lake 四 4 海 sea. The 5 lakes and the 4 seas means everywhere. From all corners of the country. 五湖四海 from all corners of the country. The 5 lakes and the 4 seas everywhere. Now check this sentence. My friends come from all corners of the country. 我的朋友来自五湖四海。我的朋友。来自五湖四海。My friends come from all corners of the country. 我的朋友来自五湖四海。五湖四海 everywhere. Okay, that's all for today. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.